All right, Daddy of Two followers, we are going to do a pancake little challenge here. These are the main ingredients. It'll all be listed in the link below, in the description below. And we're gonna try to make some with these products here. Let's see how it works out. Okay, girls, what do we have in our dry mix bowl?
A flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt.
Okay, and here is our water and our oil. Emily's going to mix it up. Also this, before we put in any of our other ingredients that you can see here.
There's bacon bits, so that's...
Yeah, this is actually a vegan recipe. So, all right, we'll get to it in a second. All right, we're getting there. We are now going to pour some mix into our bowl. And then...
What should we get first?
Skors.
We got Skor chips, bacon, marshmallows, or chocolate chips.
We're doing the Skor.
Okay.
Do Skor.
Whoa, that is hot.
Yep. Turn that down to 300.
It is at 200. Do 250.
Lots of Skor chips in there.
Ooh, and lots.
Skor chips are my favorite.
Take a look at that.
That looks like it's good.
That looks good.
Whoa.
Oh, almost stirred it up.
That's hot.
Okay, oh, we didn't oil it.
What? Violet.
All right,
Ooh.
so oil it.
Turn the fan on.
Yeah, get a paper towel.
A paper towel.
We were almost prepared.
Almost done.
Let an adult do this because this is really, really hot.
If you are doing this,
One
do
time I
this
burnt myself. I didn't have enough paper towel, and I put my hand down and I burnt all the tips of my fingers.
Okay, so here we go.
Pancake number, oh, that looks so good.
I want that one. It has so many.
Pancake number 2. Pancake number 3. Uh-oh.
That one's a little small.
Small.
Oh, no. I think that one's a big one. I still want that one.
It doesn't matter.
Okay, we're gonna have those cook. We'll cook real quick.
They're about to touch. Oh, good. They're not touching. Wait.
Just need me
They
the chin.
touched.
Ow.
While those
They
cook,
touched.
put it back up to 350. While those cook, we're gonna get the next one ready, which is gonna be the
Bacon
bacon
bits.
Ooh, I'm not excited about bacon bits. Well, like, because if you think of it, what's like your main breakfast that people have? Eggs, bacon, and pancakes.
But bacon and pancakes together?
I don't know, that's why we're trying it.
Is that good?
Bit more.
Tell me when to stop.
That should be good.
That should be good.
Okay,
Show
here's
them
our next
first.
one. Oh, I don't want to spill it, but there, you're getting a good look at that. There we go.
That looks
Mix
so
this
I
up.
feel like this one is going to be like camping. This is going to remind me of camping. Cause like s'mores, chocolate and marshmallows.
Instead of a cracker, it's the pancake batter.
Let's see if it's ready to, well, yeah.
Not ready.
Yeah, ours doesn't bubble at all, so don't make sure.
Okay, I can try to see that first one.
Oh, that one's mine.
Oops.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Whatever.
Not the best flipper.
You're better than me.
Okay, good stuff. While that cooks, we're just
that
gonna
smells so
turn that
good.
off for a minute. We'll be back in a minute.
Okay, so we finished our first round of the Skor bits. Now we're going to pour our bacon bit ones on. Pancake number 1. Pancake number 2. Pancake number 3. They kind of look the same as the Skor bit ones, but
I want which one is the smallest one? 'Cause I'm scared. I'm gonna have that one then.
I'm gonna the biggest one. I like bacon and I like pancakes.
I don't like
So there's a
both.
good chance I'm gonna like this.
Whenever we go to hotels and have them, once I tried bacon and pancakes together, I did not like it. So I'm scared about
But you've
it.
never tried bacon in pancakes.
Yeah.
That's gonna be
Never tried bacon bits of pancakes.
Okay, while these cook, we will go on pause for a second. Come back just in a minute. Okay, while the bacon ones are cooking and Emily's doing the flipping, we're gonna show you our s'mores. Hard to see, but you can grab that chocolate chips and marshmallows in
I
them.
think this one might be done. I'm not sure.
Probably not.
Yeah.
And this is a problem we get when we mix marshmallows. They all get stuck in the middle of the whisk.
Okay, so if you're doing this, get a spoon, not a whisk.
It's like a rattle
There we
toy
go.
almost.
Okay.
Yeah, just poke it.
We're just gonna poke it.
Poke it.
Okay. Give him one more little flip there.
sinking to the bottom.
I'm doing this one.
The middle
Ooh,
one.
that's good.
Middle one.
Ooh, that looks good. I'm still having the smallest one. I'm still having that one.
Okay. So those look
Okay,
they're
let's
looking
do
pretty good.
I feel like this could get a little more cooked.
Not with this, isn't it? So this one is a bit not cooked. Flip that one over a
Okay,
bit.
we'll be back in a minute. Okay, as Emily finishes off the bacon ones, we're gonna get Jocelyn to do the s'mores. Watch leaning over him. You don't lean over top. Okay, careful, and then you can run the side. Okay, around the
We
side.
used to have
Excuse me.
we used to have one that was like just flat and you put it on the stove. But then I burnt my wrist one time. I was reaching over
So
to
I
put
need
this.
to move around us, and I'm gonna reach. All right.
And I reached like this, and I burnt all under here. And I still have a scar on this side, and it hurt. And then my mom got this plastic one, so like you can touch it and it won't be hot.
Like, yeah, I can like literally hold this up and
Okay, but we don't encourage people touching hot devices.
Yeah, we
Okay.
No.
And these are going to be big. We're gonna have to cut these down the middle here. A couple of them joined up.
only
we can-
2 of them.
All right. So.
Have the middle one.
I have that one.
Ooh, whoa, that one's full of marshmallows. Okay.
Yeah, I want that one.
I want the one with most of the chocolate chips.
All right. Well, that didn't mix up as well as I thought it would, but maybe there's a way of just doing it, mixing it maybe with a spoon. I should have done it with a spoon. That would have worked.
Yeah.
Yeah, so if you're doing this, make sure to get a spoon instead.
Not a whisk. Or a whisk that doesn't have that many prongs. And
It looks like it's cooked already in the camera.
So we've had a little bit of a disaster on our middle one.
that was me. I was trying to rip it off.
All right, that one flipped.
This one. And it kind of just folded and like wrecked it.
All right, so let's see if we can flip this one. All right. I guess that one will be mine. Oh well.
Oh well, it'll still taste the same.
Yeah, full of marshmallows and chocolate. How
Isn't
can you
that-
say no to that? Okay, they're still cooking. We're gonna leave it for a minute and we'll be back.
Okay, so the middle one is looking a bit better now. I'll have the middle one actually.
I want the biggest one. Has lots of chocolate chips in it.
Okay, this one. Oops. Hang on.
Remember, don't lean over.
Okay, this one is done. Oh, that one's big.
It's beautiful.
Wait, hang on. I need to flip it.
Oh,
Yeah,
it's
this
done.
one's done.
Have a big one.
This is just a big blob.
Blob of marshmallows and chocolate chips.
Okay, we'll get a look at these in just a second. Okay, so here's our plates. And you can see what we have.
Jocelyn's, Daddy's, mine.
All right,
I'm excited.
now
I'm scared.
this, I know it says Kirkland maple syrup, but we've washed it out and we've filled it with maple
Our
syrup
own.
made from our backyard. We have about 6 maple trees. And yeah, we did it this spring. It's our 2nd year of doing it. And not that these need any more sweetness or sugar, but all right, here we go. Next is the taste test. Here we are. It is now the taste challenge.
I'm scared.
And we're gonna just review our pancakes. They're all a vegan pancake base to start, and then we've added Skor bits to 1,
Bacon bits.
bacon bits to 2, and what's the last one, Jocelyn?
Chocolate chips and marshmallows.
So kind of like a Skor. So which one do we want to start with?
Bacon.
I'll start with the bacon. All
No,
right.
Skor bits, because you need
Skor bits. I'm not going to add any maple syrup to the Skor bits because I think it's pretty sweet.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
Is this Skor bits? Or-
Nope. That's,
That's bacon bits.
yeah. Okay. Here is a Skor bits. Actually, I will do a dribble of maple syrup on the side.
I don't think I have any room.
I'm not gonna. I don't
Okay.
normally like maple syrup on my pancakes.
Oh, I love
I
maple
don't-
syrup on mine.
Okay, we're going to try it without. Tastes like a Skor bar.
Bye. I added
A
a
little bit of
lot.
maple syrup.
I added a lot.
Yeah. That's pretty much like a Skor bar.
Okay, so trying
This is really good.
out.
This is better than I thought. I thought it was gonna be like a weird sweet and sour taste.
Oh,
but
that's
it's just
good.
really good.
Wow.
It's
I
actually
do
really
enjoy-
yummy.
Yeah,
I'm-
that's the key is lots of Skor bits.
I recommend this one. You guys should try this one.
Okay, next.
If you have a sweet tooth like me, add maple syrup.
Okay.
Are we having that to wash it down?
Yeah, so you
Yeah.
have a new taste.
Next is our bacon bits one.
Bacon.
I'm scared for this one.
And I'm going to dip it in maple syrup because then it gives it a maple bacon flavor.
I'm not gonna.
I'm
Alright,
gonna
let's
try
see.
with and without.
Why is my plate?
Oh, there's the bacon flavor. Takes a second.
Yeah. Wait for me.
Oh, it definitely takes a second to kick in, but when it's in, wow.
It tastes like real bacon,
Oh.
Well, that's because it is real bacon, Emily.
not bacon bits.
So I'm trying to place the taste. It's like on a, what have I had before? Like a egg McMuffin type sandwich. That's kind of the bacon where I place it. Not like a regular strip of bacon that you normally eat. It's got a little different flavor. That's probably the pancake mix giving it that
Yeah.
bready taste.
I would recommend this with maple syrup. Now I'm gonna try without.
I like this.
Don't
This is
cut.
I'm gonna try to split that one again.
Okay.
Now we're
I'm cutting
on
with
to our s'mores one.
So this is kind of like a dessert one. You could probably make this for a dessert for after a meal, like supper. I know pancakes are usually a morning
Or
thing.
dinner.
Dinner, yeah. So, but I think this is going to be super sweet because we have marshmallows and chocolate chips. And
I have a lot of chocolate
yeah,
chips.
I think we're going to get this feeling of campground.
Okay, I'm just moving the pancakes over.
This already reminds me of camping.
Mine is a demolished. Mine does not look like a pancake.
Did a berry to 10?
Yes, a bear got to mine.
Yep, that tastes like s'more. However, I had maple syrup on that one and got to it. And I'm not so fussy about that part. So I'm thinking s'more, I'm not thinking maple syrup. Let's try another piece that is Sans maple syrup.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Here's a marshmallow.
That definitely, this definitely could be a dessert.
Can I have this on my next birthday? Good.
Okay, well. That one's chewy.
So good.
Why is that one so chewy?
Marshmallow.
Those marshmallows.
Maybe.
Maybe it's undercooked.
Yeah, the marshmallows do make it chewy.
They're a little bit thicker. Marshmallows probably take some of that heat away. Anyway,
I like
I
the
give-
Skor the best.
okay, so Emily likes to score the best. Jocelyn?
I like the bacon.
I'm gonna say I like the bacon and then bacon with the maple syrup. So those are our picks. Write in the comments below what your favorite one is. If you try something like this, or if you have any suggestions for
What else we should add?
yeah, maybe we could do sprinkles, or we could do
M&M's.
M&Ms.
That'll taste
I
good.
mean, we just had Easter, so we have a bucket full of chocolate. So we
Literally,
Can I
can,
show them?
It's a bowl like this big.
Yeah.
No, literally, it's like full.
okay.
It's huge.
Yeah, we'll save that for maybe our next challenge. All right. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you soon.
Bye.